Breaking news from Hampton. We have an update on that tense situation on Mercury Boulevard at a gun and pawn shop. Now, this first started as a call about a robbery, but then it escalated into a barricade situation. 10 on your side's Andy Fox is there. And Andy, you're saying police have now moved to the front of the building.
Aisha, you can see them walking away right now. They've been coming up and back. We have another officer just driving by here. All of this has happened in about the last 10 minutes. We have the bullhorn back on, telling the occupants of Superior Guns to come out of the door. Come out of the door. They have not come out of the door, but the law enforcement with gas masks on have been moving from behind this white building over to the front of Superior Guns. This has been going on since 6:30. We have other officers over here. I don't want to take the shot off of where we are now positioned, but over here on the right, we have other law enforcement. They have moved into position, just extra cars. I don't know if that has anything to do with anything that's about to happen, but we did have law enforcement. I don't know if they were SWAT or not, but they obviously fully armed with gas masks on, and then the bullhorn was going, and that is just the latest. 10 on your side wanted to give you an update on what's been going on since 6:30. Aisha, that's the latest here from Hampton. Back to you.
Andy, real quick, I want to ask you, you mentioned the gas mask. Do you have any reason to believe that police have used tear gas so far on that situation?
Well, that's why you would have it on, but I can't say anything for sure because I don't have any public information officer giving me a blow-by-blow on what's going on. I can just tell you what I'm looking at. And the officer, law enforcement, went over with a gas mask on, but they've now moved back. So we are now waiting for the next move, what's ever going to happen. But Aisha, that's the latest. Back to you.